loved, but feared. Why? In Russia, birch is almost a folk tree. This is a tree near your home. It is always under a residential building. And that's why. For our ancestors, birch bore a certain meaning. In the days of the Slavs, all delicate objects were endowed with human properties. She considered the beautiful birch to be the embodiment of Mother Berejini, which helps young girls quickly. Existing tradition, multicolored jewelry. Our houses were not planted birch near the house. He has a positive energy. We had to get milk for our purposes. Sorceresses could just pierce the barrel and cast a spell and milk was dripping down the knife. It was also believed that a birch stick was used as a mark. The inhabitants of ancient Russia never planted a birch near the house, not only because of the TRRPR, they also believed in this. In her curly crown live forest spirits, as well as the souls of deceased ancestors. When the green birch leaves rustle and tremble. Our ancestors believed that mermaids were hiding in birch leaves. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.